masters at Wagtail, you know I'm that bloke. I'm knocking windows out like it ain't no joke. I'm wagging up and down from left to right. When you see me high flying, I just take flight. Up and down like a bat out of hell. Wagtail excels, knocking windows out like a Tyson bout. Down for the count, 1, 2, 3. If you practice long enough, you'll be slicker than me. I said it before and I'ma say it again. Wagtail move too fast, it'll make your head spin. Eyes go up and down, making competition just look like clown. You can use the angle adapter and wag it to the ground, flip it around, and use it like a ledger. Light as a bird, light as a feather, like Muhammad Ali. Float like that butterfly and sting like that bee, leaving competition way out to sea.